Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add another address of a user on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on docusign.com and then select settings. Now scroll down and on your left side select users. Now scroll down and on your top right corner you guys can see this actions button right here. Now you need to select on it and then select edit. Now scroll down and you guys can see this section right here called address to. Now here you can enter the another address of the user, and after that scroll down and select the save button, and that's how you guys can successfully add another address of a user on DocuSign account. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.